Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the door seals on a Samsung American style fridge freezer. The door seals can stop working properly if they suffer from any rips or tears or get worn down over time. This will allow cool air to escape from your appliance, meaning that it will use up more energy to stay cool. So if this happens, you'll need to replace the door seals, so let's get started. Here we're going to be replacing the freezer door seal, but the process for replacing both the freezer and the fridge door seal is the same, so you can follow these steps no matter which seal you're replacing. To remove the door seal, you can just simply pull it away from the door frame, starting at the top corner and moving down. Then, to fit the new door seal, simply press it into place in the top corner, pushing it into the frame. Then you can make your way around the door frame, pushing and securing the door seal into place as you go. Just make sure that you're pressing the centre of the door seal to secure it properly. And it's as simple as that. Your door seals should now be working properly and help keep your fridge cool again. Damaged door seals aren't the only reason that your fridge freezer may be using up too much energy. So to learn more about issues regarding your fridge freezer's energy efficiency, take a look at our video down here on energy saving tips for your fridge freezer. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel for appliance advice, repair guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.